Class, please open your textbooks to page 42 now.
Mrs. Carter, why do we need to learn this right now?
Because it is in the curriculum, Marcus. That is enough reason.
But when will I actually use this in real life, though?
Marcus, please stop asking questions and just follow along today.
I just want to understand things better. Is that so wrong?
One more word, and I will send you to the office.
Dude, why do you always have to make things so weird? I'm not being weird. I just actually want to learn things.
Nobody asks that many questions, man. You make us all look bad. Maybe everyone else should start asking more questions too, Tyler.
Oh, great! Here comes Marcus with another one of his big speeches. One day they will all want to hear what I say.
Wow, Marcus, eating alone again? What a huge surprise, right, guys?
He probably thinks eating alone makes him smarter or something.
I'm reading about how successful businesses started in America, actually.
A book? At lunch? Bro, you are seriously so weird, man.
Weird people build the companies that normal people work for, Jake. Whatever, man. You're such a loser. Come on, Tyler. Let's go. Hey, what book is that? What are you reading there? It's about a guy who lost everything and built it all back. Sounds boring. See you around, loser.
Hey, Davis. What do you got in that big backpack today, huh?
Nothing for you, Jake. Please just leave me alone.
Relax. I'm just playing around.
Hey! Get your hands off my bag right now, Jake! I said let go! Stop touching my stuff! Back off now! Ow! Did you see that? He just attacked me! He attacked me! Yeah, Marcus just hit him for no reason at all! I saw it!
Hey! What is going on here right now in this hallway?
Mr. Hill, Marcus attacked me! He just punched me out of nowhere!
That is not true! He grabbed my bag first! Ask anyone!
Did anyone see what happened here? Can someone please tell me?
Jake, you know the truth. You know exactly what really happened.
Yeah, I know. That's the whole point, Davis. Good luck now.
Sit down, Marcus. I have been expecting you this afternoon.
Mr. Beckett, please let me explain what happened out there today.
I already spoke with 3 witnesses, Marcus, including Mr. Hill himself.
Those witnesses are lying, sir. Jake took my bag first. I swear.
Marcus, this is not the first time you have caused problems here.
I haven't caused problems. I just ask questions and read books.
3 behavioral notes this semester alone. That is a serious pattern. My decision is made, Marcus. I'm sorry, but this is it.
What decision? What are you gonna do to me, sir?
You are expelled from Riverside High School. Effective today. Immediately.
Expelled?
Ugh! Sir, this is so unfair. I did nothing wrong today.
Please send security to my office. We need an escort outside now.
Please, Mr. Beckett. Please don't do this. This is my school.
Security will walk you out. Please collect your belongings now, Marcus.
I will remember this moment for the rest of my whole life.
Marcus? Why are you home so early? What happened, baby? They expelled me from school today. I got expelled, Mom. Expelled? Oh, Marcus. Oh, no. Baby, what did you do? I pushed Jake because he stole my backpack in the hallway. Marcus, you know you cannot put your hands on anyone at school. Mom, he grabbed my bag first. I was just defending myself. I believe you, baby. But what do we do right now?
Nobody believed me, Mom. Not one person stood up for me.
We will figure this out, Marcus. We always figure things out together.
Mom, 3 other schools already rejected my transfer application today.
3 schools? Already? How is that even possible so quickly?
The word expelled follows you, Mom. Like a shadow. Everywhere you go.
Then we find another way. There is always another way, Marcus.
Yeah. Maybe you're right. Maybe there is a totally different way.
Back again, young man? That is 3 weeks in a row now.
Yes, ma'am. I like it here. It's quiet. I can think here. What are you reading today?
It's a fantastic old handbook about trade, economics, and building businesses from nothing.
Oh, yes. Books like that can completely change a person's mindset about value and growth forever.
It's reshaping how I think about everything. I've read it twice from cover to cover already.
You're not attending the regular classes right now, are you, young man?
No, ma'am. I was asked to leave my high school. It's a very long and unfair story.
I won't pry into your past, but I want you to remember something very important right now.
What's that, Miss Johnson?
Some of the absolute greatest pioneers, builders, and iconic creators in history never finished formal school.
Really? The absolute greatest? Who are you thinking of? Can you share their stories?
Think of the legendary industrial founders, the early animation visionaries who created classic characters.
So a specific building doesn't give you an education. Your own hunger does.
Now that right there is a very wise thing to say, Marcus.
Then I'm gonna get the best possible education right here in this library. Mom, I need $50. I have a real business idea, okay?
$50?
Marcus, we are barely covering groceries this month.
Look, I buy school supplies wholesale. Then I sell them locally. Simple.
And you think kids in this neighborhood will actually buy from you? Yes, because the standard retail store is very far, and parents work long hours.
40 is all I have right now. Will that be enough to start?
Yes, this is enough. Thank you, Mom. I won't let you down. Mom! Marcus! What happened? Where did you get all that cash from? I sold everything. Every single notebook and pen. Look, Fra! $120.
120?
In 1 week? From $40, baby?
Buy low, sell higher. That's all business is, Mom. That's it.
My baby is a real businessman. I am so, so proud of you.
Excuse me, young man. I have noticed you here every single day.
Yes, sir. I come here every morning. I like learning new things.
What are you studying so seriously on a Saturday morning, son? Real estate? How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
15, sir. But age doesn't matter when you want something badly enough.
My name is Harold Green. I've been in real estate for 40 years.
40 years? Sir, would you be willing to talk to me sometime?
I'm retired, son. I have nothing but time. What's your name?
Marcus Davis, sir. And I have a million questions. Fair warning.
A young man with a million questions is a rare and beautiful thing.
My teachers never thought so. They actually expelled me for asking questions.
Expelled? Tell me that whole story, Marcus. Every single detail. Start from the beginning.